Move-in ready home. Newly installed tile floors in the guest and master bathrooms. Newer AC unit installed within the last 5 years. The exterior has been painted within a year and the interior within the last 6 months. The water heater is less than 6 years old. Brand new storm shutters that have never been used. Beautiful oversized manicured yard. Great for gathering, entertainment, or just enjoying the view. No rear neighbors, sanctuary conservation area across the street of the backyard. Solar lights light up the entire backyard at night. Over 1/2 acre lot. This home must be seen to truly appreciate how well kept the yard and home really is. Call today to see this one-of-a-kind home.